Welcome inside one of the world's most advanced automated cake manufacturing facilities.
Series. Automated feeding systems carefully measure the exact amount of every ingredient before mixing begins.
The sensor reading on line 3 is consistent.
Yes, the leveling accuracy is perfect.
The uniformity on this batch is exceptional.
The sensors are showing a 99% pass rate.
African American female factory operators supervise the preparation using advanced computerized controls. The production area
High-speed cameras carefully examine the packaging from multiple angles. The system checks label placement, package sealing,
The filled cartons enter automatic carton sealing machines operating at high speed. Strong food-safe adhesive securely close.
From premium ingredients to perfectly packaged cakes, the manufacturing process demonstrates world-class efficiency.
Did you scan pallet 42? Yes, Supervisor, it's showing green in the system.
The fully loaded trucks depart from the factory through the main distribution gate. GPS technology continuously tracks.
Pallet 3B is confirmed. Send the next shipment to Section 4 immediately. Early in the morning, delivery vehicles transport the finished cakes to supermarkets. Store employees carefully place the beautifully...
Look at that huge rainbow cake!
I want the one with the sprinkles, Mommy!
They're all so colorful. Which one do you girls like best?
A perfect example of modern food production, this facility proves that continuous innovation and precision can meet growing global demand.
The impressive combination of technology and craftsmanship define the future of large-scale bakery